Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a blue cheese sauce. Melt 2 tablespoons butter over medium heat, add 1 small shallot minced and cook until translucent. Stir in 1 cup heavy cream and bring to a gentle simmer, then lower heat and crumble 4 ounces blue cheese, stirring until melted and smooth. Season with salt and black pepper to taste, adding lemon juice to brighten if needed. Start with medium-low heat to gently reduce the cream while developing flavor. Add crumbled blue cheese gradually and whisk constantly so the proteins emulsify into a smooth sauce rather than clump. Taste and adjust seasoning, remembering blue cheese is salty, so add salt sparingly. If the sauce tightens too much, stir in a tablespoon of milk at a time until you reach the desired pourable consistency for steaks or salads. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can keep making easy recipes. Quick recommendation. I picked up a book called The Simple Path to Wealth that changed how I think about saving and splurging on kitchen gear, and it made me stop overbuying gadgets. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you find it useful, consider supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Balance the rich, tangy profile by adding a splash of lemon juice or a teaspoon of white wine vinegar to brighten the sauce. Fresh herbs like chives or parsley add color and a fresh note that complements the cheese. For texture, fold in crispy bacon bits or chopped walnuts just before serving. Always taste as you go so you can adjust acid, salt, and herbs to complement the dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.